In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write using Semrush in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to harness the power of Semrush for content creation, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and do a quick search for Semrush. This will take you to their official website, where you can dive into the world of powerful SEO and keyword tools. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to create one. It could be a free account, or you might choose to start a trial, both of which will give you access to the essential features we'll be discussing today. Once you're logged in, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the topic research and keyword magic tools. These are pivotal in guiding you through the content creation process. Begin with the topic research tool. This is where you'll explore the topic you want to write about. You're aiming to identify potential keywords. Think of these as the foundational building blocks of your content. Once you have a general sense of your topic, switch over to the Keyword Magic tool. The Keyword Magic tool is exactly what it sounds like. A bit of magic at your fingertips. It will help you dive deeper by uncovering related keywords. Here, you'll look for 3 key metrics: related keywords, search volume, and keyword difficulty. It's important to evaluate how difficult it is to rank for different keywords. Ideally, you're looking for a sweet spot, a mix of high volume and lower difficulty keywords. These are the keywords that will form a sturdy backbone for your content. Organization is crucial, so create keyword lists to keep your findings neat and prioritized. This way, you have a clear sense of which keywords to target as you develop your content strategy. Next, let's turn our attention to your competitors. Use Semrush to analyze the content of their websites. Identify their top-performing pieces, which keywords they're ranking for, and their backlink profiles. This analysis can provide you with valuable insights into what's working in your niche and where there might be gaps or opportunities for you to capitalize on. Remember, while keywords and SEO tools are indispensable, writing should always prioritize the reader. Focus on your target audience and aim for clarity and engagement. Crafting short sentences and paragraphs not only makes your writing accessible, but also keeps your audience interested. It's about creating content that's easy to scan and understand. And there you have it, a quick guide on using Semrush for effective content writing. With these tools, you're well equipped to create insightful, engaging content that resonates with your audience and performs well in search engines. Good luck with your writing journey.